Hey guys, want to introduce you the V58Nb2 Blackout Edition 58-liter black and gloss monokey series top case from Givi. The largest case ever in the Givi range, this 58-liter blackout version top case is capable of storing 2 large full-face helmets comfortably. The V58Nb2 has an internal locking lever to secure this case to the monokey plate for added security. And finally, this case comes with a third key lock position to enable the key to be removed while still being able to open the lid. This case is made from polypropylene, which makes this case extremely lightweight, even for its size, and durable. And it also offers exceptional water resistance. The V58Nb2 case utilizes our Givi monokey operating system, which enables both unlocking and detaching the case with a single key. The V58Nb2 case is equipped with tension adjustable hinges, inner base foam mat, 4-point elastic net, and 2 elastic retaining straps. Additional accessories are available for this case, and they do include a passenger backrest pad, inner bag, brake and turn signal LED light kit, document pocket, and a nylon luggage rack. To find out if the V58Nb2 Maxia 5 case fits on your bike, check the My Motorcycle section on our website. For more information on this case and to see our complete range of Givi accessories, go to our website, giviusa.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, ride safe.